Hello, this is Leo from YEROO. Today we came to Dongguan to install the bus shelters manufactured by YEROO. Let's learn about the installation process of the bus shelter. This is the footing match page. The workers are hoisting the bus shelter. The workers need to line the truck-mounted crane with the footing match page by manipulating the crane. They are using a gradient to adjust the balance of the bus shelter and then fix the bus shelter by tightening the nuts. The next step is to install the ceiling of the bus shelter. This bus shelter is 24 meters in length and 3 meters in height. The beams of the ceiling is made of galvanized pipe and the panel is spray-painted stainless steel plate. The panel of the light boxes are made of tempered glass. The seat of the bus shelter is also made of galvanized pipe. The frame of the bus shelter is fitted with light that lights up at night. The spacious bus shelter is one of the punchlines of the street. In especially, the 2-meter wide ceiling can shelter more people from the wind and rain. The wide seats are designed to seat more people and are more comfortable. What do you think of the bus shelter?